Employees were giving their judgment on boss because the boss was rude and not listening to their problems. Same to effective components.
Same to effective components.
What happened, guys? What about the manager told about the promotion? What happened, guys? Guys, the manager didn't give you promotion?
No, he didn't.
Don't worry, good things take time. You are working since 5 years, but look at me. I am here from 10 years, but still I haven't get enough promotion that I deserve.
Let's go inside. It's cold outside. Okay, let's go. I don't have mood to do this work anymore. Today I'm very hurt because of this boss behavior. She's too stubborn and doesn't listen to us. I don't want to work here anymore.
Learning. Employees were not getting job satisfaction because they were not getting promotion as they are shared by the boss reaction.
Behavioral component.
Let's start with this box. I'm just thinking Santosh didn't get enough promotion in this area. What will happen to us?
You're right, I was just thinking the same, which is a little more appreciation.
Should we try in other companies also? What do you say, Rashmi?
Yes, I think you are right. Okay, let's go and manager.
Okay, let's go and give our resignation letter to our manager. Rashmi will try in other companies also.
Okay, let's go.
Ma'am, we are here to give our resignation letter. We are leaving this company because we haven't got as much appreciation as we deserve.
I told you to have patience, no? We can't go against our company's policy. But now if you have made a mind of leaving, then I can't force you. So do as you wish.
Okay, this is our resignation letter. Now we don't want to work in your company anymore.
We're leaving this company as your wish.
Learning. Employees were giving resignation because they are not satisfied with their job and the boss behaviors. This shows the changes in the behavior of the employees, which is behavioral component.